Hi guys, this is another project which I've been working on, and it's called the solar reed switch motor. And basically here is the solar cell. These are four solar cells which are derived from calculators, those little brown things, if you have noticed them before. And an electromagnet, this is an electromagnet. It is derived from a 12-volt relay. Basically all the relay mechanism is stripped off, and magnets, of course, this one, the one in the bottom and the one in the top, these are just placed to hold the rotor in the center. A reed switch right over here, that's the reed switch, and of course a few wires and a structure. The structure I've made from a pref board. I've just cut that and then soldered them in the four corners, just made a stand to hoist the reed switch. And well, that's it, it's going on. Just spin it and it'll run for the whole day without any battery or any other source of power. And let me just strip off the rotor. Here, this is the rotor. Basic, it's a cap with a needle in the center. It's a swing needle and four magnets with all north pole facing outward and stuck with the sticky tape. And then just place it over here and give it a little push, and voila, it'll go. Well, I hope this you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe and share. Bye. Signing off, friends.